Yes.
Dito?
Yeah. Hi guys, what's up?
Nice.
We just got off work and then we just went to Holt to pick up something, but now we're gonna go eat. So today is Friday and I'm not feeling 100% because my ear, I can hear myself talk, and then my eyes feel so much pressure, and every time I stand up I can feel like my head being squeezed. So anyways, yeah, we're just gonna go eat and then rest. Magtutuob daw kami. Tuob yun? Magtutuob daw kami later kasi I think this is sinus pressure. And I've been having this sinus pressure for like a month now, and it hasn't gotten better. Like when we were in Calgary, I was rinsing my sinuses and that was great because all of the mucus was coming out, but now it just feels like it's all in there. I must have like an infection or something. I don't know.
Wala naman siguro, hopefully wala. It's just parang na-suppress siguro na ba? Ang tawag nito? Sipon. Pero kasi sa panahon din yan, yun parang
Yeah.
yung sa kasagsagan na maraming nagkakasakit plus naglamig pa, siguro yun din yun.
Yeah. So now we're gonna take you to a restaurant that we found out lately that has really cheap steak.
Yeah.
Considering that it's steak, and it's pretty good actually. Like, yeah. So we're gonna eat there for dinner, and then are we gonna go to the gym today?
We'll see if
Yeah,
masama pa
we'll see. But anyways, we'll see you there. It's in Gastown, so see you there. So we are currently in Gastown. This is where we're gonna eat.
Malayo, hindi naman malayo, mga nasa
Across the
lang kami,
street lang.
across the street lang yung parking namin. Pahirapan kasi yung parking dito sa downtown, especially if maraming ano daw nito?
May weekend din kasi. It's Friday kasi. So a lot of people are out. Pero yeah, right now we're just spending some time in the car because we need to take all of our belongings with us because we are in Gastown. We are in Vancouver and there are a lot of homeless people, and not all of them break into your car, but some of them do. And so we're just gonna fix all of our things so that our car does not look desirable enough to break into. So yeah, and then we're gonna go eat. It's called Arcana Spirit something. We'll find out later what it's actually called, but that's what I remember it being called. Okay. But anyways, we're just gonna fix our stuff because we came from work and we have our laptops with us and our bags with us.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll see you in a bit, okay? Alright, bye.
Makikita natin yung streets na mas maganda pa nito. Maraming ganyan yung dito sa Gastown. Uy, alam nyo ba, dito kami nagpa-party before ni Kim. Lamplighter. Ano lang siya. Inuman lang siya and ano. May mga games naman sila available. Pero ano.
Meron ba?
Yeah, yung mga
Open book
yeah.
machines.
Mga machines lang. Pero ngayon, wala na masyadong tao dyan. Kasi siguro marami na ding mga, mga pub or mga ganito. And also, very, very traffic na masyado dito. Like, outside the city, marami ng mga ganyan. So, I think, sana may makita tayong ano dito. So, I think, kaya, wala na masyado. Or I guess, siguro, dahil maaga pa naman, baka mamaya marami ding tao. Di naman nawawalan. Diba? Ako lang din sumagot. Yan guys, oh, super terrific. Pero look at the streets. Very beautiful. Very bright. Ayan. Here. Ayan. Alam nyo, ang ganda kasi yung ulan ngayon hindi super heavy talaga kagaya ng mga nakaraang taon.
Yeah, wala nga ulan.
Yeah. And also yung hindi pa nag-snow sa Metro Vancouver since nung December. Last year or last year ata, November pa lang nag-snow na. Pero ngayon, January na, wala pang snow. Pero siguro, ngayon naman talaga yung ng winter eh. So, who knows? Who knows? Yeah. Ito guys, andito tayo ngayon sa, ano to? Waterfront.
Gastown?
Gastown pala.
Oh, what the heck? That used to be a Starbucks.
Oh yeah! Starbucks yan dito ngayon, Lee's Donuts na.
Weird.
Here is the famous, ano tawag nito? Steam churva.
Yeah.
Steam churva clock. Whatever. And, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Well, that's very surprising na nawala ang Starbucks doon, no?
I know, because lots of people actually go to that Starbucks.
Yeah. And, well, siguro, maganda din naman ang Lee's. Pero you know what, guys, grabe na talagang expansion ng Lee's Donut dito kasi
Dati sa ano lang siya, sa Granville, and then now it's everywhere.
Yeah, dati sa ano lang siya, Granville Island, di ba? Tama ba?
Yeah, Granville Island.
Oo, Granville Island lang siya dati.
Correct.
Uy, Salesforce pala ito dito. Ito ang office ng Salesforce. Oh, Jesus Christ.
The child almost died. I almost become a murderer.
Dito yung office ng Salesforce and then meron din ditong office ng Workday. Do you guys do you guys use Workday?
Us?
Yeah.
No. What is that? Like
we use Workday and
a calendar?
No, like your where you see your what do you call this? Pay stubs, your
I see.
leave credits.
Look at that puppy. Oh.
And then basta just everything about the company or like your account or personal information sa company.
Okay, sige. Mamaya na. Dami natin.
Wait, kasi tingnan nyo naman, ang ganda. Pero, yeah, mamaya na lang. Guys, kita nyo ba? Ito yung cathedral dito. Oh. Dito sa downtown. Madalas ako dito nag-church before nung estudyante pa ako. And then, maganda lang siya puntahan dyan. Very, very solemn.
Yeah, but kung napalitaan nyo may dun, may namatayan pa.
Yeah, may stabbing na nangyari no, not recently.
Yeah, pretty recent. It's within a year. Within 6 months.
Yeah, oh. Pretty recent daw. So, yeah.
Guys, have you heard this song?
Okay, so bumalik pala kami dito sa looban ng downtown. We had to go back kasi may kukunin si Kim sa office. May nakalimutan siya. Weekend bukas. So, well, andito na kami. Might as well,
And it's
balikan na
illegal
namin.
to go to downtown
Illegal.
on weekends.
Illegal for us kasi halos everyday na nasa downtown na kami. So, iniiwasan namin yung downtown ng weekend. So, yes. Ayun lang. Saan ka dadaan?
Dito sa likod.